This is my documentation presentation part 3 for Professional Code Practicum 2. This is for patient record 410057. I believe the properly documented parts are that the surgical documentation was very well documented and that the radiological findings were also very well put. The parts that weren't accurate that I found were wrong, that there was no diagnosis date, surgery date, or how the cancer was found. I also think that the physical exam was a little bit short. For patient record 410092, I believe that the record was very well documented in the HPI and the ROS. The physical exam was also very well documented. I believe that the patient record did not contain an operative report, and that operative reports are very important for the medical record as they can contain information for the coder to help code the chart. For patient 410198, I believe that the document is very well written. It is clear and has all necessary information that a coder needs to obtain proper codes. I don't think that there are any inaccurate parts and that it is complete. For patient 410296, the operative report was very good. I think that what is wrong with this is that the H&P is handwritten, and it is not recommended unless people beyond those working with the physician can read it. I had a very hard time reading the H&P. I also don't believe that code F84.0 is appropriate for this case. The record states autistic behaviors and not that the patient was autistic. And under the discharge instructions, it was giving them for a child, and this patient was a 45-year-old man. Why is it important for proper medical documentation? It's important because it helps in a doctor's defense in case a malpractice claim was given against them. It helps the facility gain maximum reimbursement. It ensures timely insurance submissions. It makes a rejected claim less likely. And it can have a negative effect on statistical databases, financial planning, clinical preparedness, and gross revenue for healthcare organizations. Suggestions to ensure proper documentation. Define the professional standards. If a coder knows what their company expects of them, they are more likely to do it. Expand the education. Train the coders to get them up to the standards they need to be. And don't do it just once. Make it a routine. Systematic training makes sure that the coder is constantly ensured of what they need to do. Create peer-to-peer support systems. Let a coworker that knows the system in place help other workers. If a coder is trained by somebody that is an equal, they are more likely to retain the information. Review the information. Take the time to make sure the codes are correct. If a coder takes the time to review and ensure that their codes are correct, this will help to ensure that claims are not rejected. Allow patients to access their EHR. This may seem like a bad idea. However, the patient is the most likely person to pick something up that is wrong with their record. My resources came from medicalmutual.com, momed.com, ahima.org, and newmed.com. I also used information from past classes and my own knowledge. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.